to
It's slow, it's
channel,
slow.
to channel, to channel. So it's actually a very good time to make money on cash cure puts. It's a brilliant time. Unfortunately, it's a bad time to hold the stock. So when you have this kind of price action, it's good to do the real strategy, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately, your average price is a bit high. What's your average price for Tesla right now?
It's around 360 something.
Huh?
436, something like that.
You're not far away, actually.
I'm not far away now. I have one, but I have the cover close until August.
Yeah, because the channel is here. This is the first market cycle, okay? At 415 around this area, which is rejected. If this trend line holds and it continues pushing up and it breaks 417, we're expecting price to go to about 435. Okay? And if 435 breaks, then this is your golden zone, I call this, because from 288 to 4236, it's a bigger zone compared to this one, and normally price will just rush up here. So if it breaks 437 or 440, it's a good idea to hold the stock and make on your gain. But the problem is from 415 to 435, that is the challenge.
I got you.
To break 415 is the challenge. Yeah, because however we drew it yesterday, not yesterday. However, we looked at all these stocks over the last couple of days. Most of them played out exactly like how we expected it to play out, you know. Say welcome guys. Hi Dan. Hi Taufik. Yeah. So most of it played out exactly.
Hi.
Hi man. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm on driving to now, so I just connected to listen.
I see. I think later I'll go through SpaceX because SpaceX there's an opportunity. I mean, I won't say you can get in, but since you're already in SpaceX, for now it looks like a bullish stock. So I actually went through SpaceX just now. I roughly have an idea of where SpaceX will actually get up to. So I'll show you later on the charts.
I'm in on SpaceX I got the average price for 153.
Nice.
That's very healthy. I'll show you later.
I'm paying 40%. That's crazy.
Nice. It's going to go up more. But it has to respect one level, which is the AB, the demand zone out. I'll show you later on the charts. So meantime, I'm just going through Tesla with Avi. So this is the critical area at 415. It went up as expected. It's rejecting on the way down. So, hello, hi Taufik. So yeah, by the way, Taufik, if you have any questions, you want to know any stock, just type it in the chat and I'll check them out for you. So Tesla is pushing down, it's rejecting the first market cycle. Okay, let's check BMNR. BMNR, I think for now we are expecting BMNR to hit back up a bit. Let me check the charts and see. Yeah, so BMNR has got a chance to slowly push up. If it starts to go up, I would expect BMNR to go towards at least 1850. I think this would be the area BMNR will hit to, and then we shall see what happens here. So Nvidia as well, I think Nvidia it kind of like bounced, and there's a door open over here. So if Nvidia starts to push up, we're expecting it to go to between 220 to, I'm going to remove this, 220 to 225. I think that will be our expectation.
Hood?
If it starts pushing up. Hood same, nothing changes. Hood is
one away.
How come I did not draw? Yeah, let me draw, because Hood is that over here. Solid demand zone, easy money, as I mentioned, for the price to go up to 108, 110. So I think you're going to start making a lot on Hood as I expected. It's really 101 right now, and it's going to continue pushing up.
Okay.
I'm expecting to try to get some scalps after the first 15 minutes for see whatever stocks that I can pick up on. Yeah, but Hood is one of them that we are expecting the price to go up. And Hood is very obvious as I drew a cup and handle after the head and shoulders. Then you have a cup and handle, broke out of the handle, and now it's shooting up. So at least 110, we're looking at 108 to 115. Probably 110 is a round number, so it'll probably be around there. Iron, as we drew it, okay, so it went up, it rejected this area, coming back down, but ultimately iron is still going to go up to about 67 to 670. This will be our next target, okay? So if iron starts pushing up, we are expecting the price. Let me just redraw it again. Yeah, we're expecting iron to go up to about 67 to 69 around this area. So it went up, it rejected down because when under a smaller time frame, there was some resistance here, as I showed you yesterday. So it came back down, we're expecting the price to start moving up today. What other shares? Okay, Cypher, it went exactly as we drew it. Can see 5 people, Linus, welcome Linus. Yeah, Cypher went exactly as we predicted the price to move couple of days ago. Okay, channel versus channel. Cash outputs below the bottom of the channel. You can never go wrong with that. Master strategy might start to make a move. Okay, master strategy might start to make a move. Let me readjust this, okay, guys. Because you want to draw when the candle closes. So if master strategy starts pushing, we're expecting it to go to about 145. Okay, let's look at SPY. Okay, SPY, as mentioned, there's some resistances around 755. For now, it's still going to head up. If it breaks past 757, I would expect it to go to 770. Okay, so this is done. This move up here is done. Okay, we expected it to go between a couple of days. It went there in one day. So it's either the price will come back down. Okay, if there's a door open towards the downside, it will come back down. But for now, it looks like it's heading up. So SPY 770. For those of you who are holding some of the major stocks, we can expect some bullish price action this week. Okay, unless if SPY makes a really hard bounce towards the downside, then it's a different story. Anything else, guys? Please type it in the chat. Anything you want to look at? Any stocks?
Grab.
Grab. Okay, grab. Oh, grab. Finally. Finally, grab looks like it's doing something. Okay, nice. Grab is starting to make a move towards the upside, okay? So the next is starting to go up. We're expecting Grab to go towards around 370 area. This will be the first. They're going to start testing this area. And if it breaks past 370, it's going to go up to $4. What's the average price, Avi, on Grab?
$5.
$5 is a bit on the high side, but yeah. So we take it one step at a time. As long, at least now you know there's a price movement towards price action towards the upside. I think that's the important news because previously it's just low highs, low lows, low highs, low lows, and it's not looking healthy. But with this move here, it's good. It's good.
Palantir and SoFi on my side.
Okay, Palantir has a chance to go up now. Unfortunately, the door is open, but the resistance is strong. So let's see how price reacts around the 130 area. If it starts to bounce around the 130, then I'm expecting the price to try to get up to 140. So it's still not bullish. It's trying to pick up some steam. Not really there yet. SoFi is trying to climb again in sideways market. So there's a door open. Let me check on the 12 hours chart. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's a door open for. Switch is lower. Hold on. Let me try to get the more obvious. Yeah, there's a door open for what is this? SoFi right now. We're expecting SoFi to start to climb up. Actually, you know what? SoFi is not such a bad stock to try to even scalp right now, because it looks like it's going to start heading towards the upside. Okay, and yeah, I'm looking for SoFi to start heading up. I will mark this yellow. You might have a chance to get in on SoFi on the short term. I can see people joining our Discord. Yeah, okay. That's SoFi. Anything else from your side, Avi?
Maybe quick Ondus and Open.
Onless is sideways, nothing's happening here.
Okay. Open.
You gotta wait for price to move. Okay, open is channel against channel against channel. Looking okay, looking not bad. Now it's going up in the channel as well. So the bottom is making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, so it's holding. So this is a good thing for open. We are expecting open to start to make a move towards the upside right now. So if you guys want to do some cash secure puts, let me look at the bigger picture on open.
Yeah, maybe I think you maybe take one open at $4.
1, 2, 1, 2. Is it past? Okay, wait, this is the important thing. It must not trade below this price here. If it doesn't trade below here, then it's fine. So this low is 396. Has it gone below 396? No. Yeah, okay, it's fine. So if you guys want to do cash secure puts on open, if they pay well, then anything below its current price right now, $4.20, $4.50, they're all a price that you guys can consider, okay? For cash secure puts on the wheel strategy. Okay, our wheel strategy basically we look for channels. So when you have channels, channel against the channel against the channel against the channel, that means price is moving sideways, which is exactly what we want in the wheel strategy. But at the same time, it's more of a bullish. As long as towards the bigger picture is more bullish than bearish, then even if you get a sign, we're expecting you to have some capital gain. Unless it's a bearish stock, then we just got to be careful of it. Okay, guys, we can see. So who is here? So yeah, Idan, Linus, Taufik, anything you want to have a look at. You can look at SpaceX, okay? I think SpaceX. Him's moving up, yeah. Him's still,
I watch.
yeah. Okay, so did you watch my video on SpaceX?
I'm on the 153.
Okay, yeah. So what happens is with SpaceX, it's ABC for wave 1. I think I drew this a couple of days, I think yesterday or the day before. Yeah, so it's ABC of wave 1. Let me remove this because this has already happened, exactly like what we envisioned. So what's happening now is very good. SpaceX looks strong so far using the harmonic headed wave, and I'll show you guys how this works, okay? So technically we've got a wave 1, wave 2, and ABC of wave 3, wave 4 now, and a wave 5 towards the upside. So basically what is important is the demand zone, which is AB of C. So basically this is the ABC. So A, B, C of 3. Alright, so this zone here is really important, okay? This is like the last line of defense. It must not go below 180. What's the lowest price over here? Let me double check. It must not go below 181.53. To be exact, 0.53. Not even 0.52. It must not go below 181.53, okay guys? If it stays above 181.53, hold on, let me just mark this down for you guys. So those of you who are interested, 181.53. Okay, so this is the invalidation point. I'm expecting SpaceX to come down for one more push down. I think then if you guys want to get in, very good time. But for now it's towards the premium side. So we're looking for an ABC correction, an A, B, and a C correction. And then we get in at wave 4, like this. Then we expect a wave 5. It's better if it drops a bit more, it gives you a chance to go in. This might be wave 4, it might go up to wave 5. So we shall see. This one, nobody can actually really predict. So it might go up and might come back down for another ABC move, or this could be an ABC move. So either ways. Alright, so let's see what happens. It might go up for a wave 5, that means this becomes a wave 4. But I'm expecting one more wave down. Yeah, HIMS moving up, Linus, as I mentioned. HIMS is in, let me see. I think I drew it yesterday. Let me see where I would expect HIMS to go up to. Yeah, I think this is it. So Hinge is going to test 31, 32. Alright? So it's going to test 31, 32, two possibilities, as I mentioned this before already. So when Hinge get up to about 31, 32, number one, scenario one, it might reject this area as resistance. From, you can see a resistance on the left, you can see these Fibonacci ratios on the market cycle number two, and you can see the top of the trend line number three. So literally you have three resistances that you're fighting against. So if that rejects, it's going to come back down to the bottom of the channel. If it goes past 32, then we're expecting price to go up to 36. So it's either rejecting towards the downside, or this move has already happened, or either it's going to go past 32 and head towards 30, 37 to 38. That seems for you. How is SPY doing? SPY is trying to make a move. Okay, guys, any other stocks that you want to ask before I try to search for some scalping opportunities?
How about you? How we going there?
You. Let me have a look. As mentioned, you beautiful placement right now. Do you have a contract here, Idan?
I have.
Yeah, I have one. I don't remember, but which? I'm
18.
I'm in the
I'm
car.
18. You have
18 is
So if I'm 18, I think I have the same.
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's very nice. Because it's making a wave 1, wave 2, ABC, wave 3, ABC, wave 4. So this is wave 4, guys. It's ABC, as I mentioned, this is what we predicted. This is called what you call a flat correction. So it goes to the high, comes, makes a low. Price B point will be towards the A point, and then normally the retracement will be the equal length of A and then C. So it's coming around the A area and starting to push up. So let me go down and see a bit more clearly and see where price might actually start to get up to. Okay, for now the door is open for UUU. So I would expect UUU to at least go up and test $17. If it breaks past 17.50, then it's definitely going to go up to 19. Okay, so it's either going to go up to $17 and it might reject, or either it goes up and it just goes past and immediately goes up to $19. So UU looks good, man. UU looks really, really good. I mean, people are sleeping on this pattern, no? This is like the cheapest price that you can basically get. So even if you want to do cash secure puts right now at like $15 and what, it's actually a pretty good price.
How much they pay?
If you are bullish on the stock.
See how much they paying.
Yeah,
But
because
we should also take consideration tomorrow the news.
what news
It's
are
going
you
to-
again? What news are you having tomorrow?
Ryan said yesterday something about tomorrow is the Fed decision.
Oh, okay, that's
maybe,
fine. I think
maybe the Fed is speaking tomorrow. I'm not familiar any.
Yeah, that's what we heard.
I can
Yeah.
check if they have any news tomorrow. I mean,
No-
actually,
normally individual-
we on the website we have kind of like a calendar, and the calendar actually showing exactly if they have some news.
but
And the first thing they need to put the
Fed.
point.
That's on Thursday. Fed interest rate decision. And we have
Thursday?
CPI on
Not tomorrow.
Thursday. Yeah, no, not tomorrow. And we have PCE price index on Friday. Yeah, we have some news, so it's potentially will be a little bumpy, but I'm not expecting any other kind of like other surprises, except to be a little
I
bumpy.
think it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's fine because it's not like earnings, and earnings is a different ballgame because it affects the stock directly. Federal rates and all that will affect the stock to a certain extent, but not that much like how earnings will actually affect the individual stock on its own. So this chart pattern, it's basically UU is at a discount right now. You literally cannot go wrong, okay? Because even if it were to come down, I mean, its bottom is already at $12, you know. So like, then the only way, it's so low that the only way you can go up is up, you know. It's just one of those scenarios whereby it's not a bad idea to actually get in. Okay, we can actually also check and see if there's any So we have a channel here, channel there. So we have a channel on the way down. We have a channel on the way up. Okay, because this is wave 4. So this we have a channel on the way down again. Okay. And if we have a channel on the way up, or even if it starts breaking up, I think we are okay. Now let me look at a smaller time frame. Yeah, smaller time frame, it's a very, very steep channel on the 4-hour chart. Okay. So it's if you have a cash secure put on UU, it's safe. It's safe. Nothing to worry about. Okay, so I think there's some resistances. Like I think market is trying to push up, but some is pushing down. Okay, any other stock reviews before I start looking for some scalping opportunities, guys?
Did you check a SoFi?
Guys, thank you very much. I need to go
Thank you,
early
Dan.
today. So thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, see you then. Bye bye.
Bye.
SoFi, yeah, SoFi. Remember, I expect SoFi to start pushing up
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Okay.
towards 18. Yeah, so this is an expected move
Towards
for the
18.
price to go. Yeah, you will come to test 18 first.
Okay.
And then looking at this, I'm pretty certain it will come up to this point, because if you look at this, resistance up, support down, market cycle 1 is in the middle of nowhere. So I'm expecting the price to break market cycle 1 and to go and test market cycle 2, which I think is going to start to reject and come back to the bottom, because it's a very, very big range.
Nice.
Green days can sell CSP. I mean,
No,
if it's close,
the opposite. The green
Yeah.
days, it's better to do like cover calls. And red days, it's better to do like cash secure puts, because you're getting better
Unless you're at the-
premium on
yeah.
on lower price.
Unless you have a stock that the price is at the bottom, then there's a possible opportunity there. But within the channel, again, it has to be within the channel. Like so far now, it's not within the channel. Okay, so it's not the time to take a cash secure puts. Although we are at the bottom, don't get me wrong. But if you want to be extra safer, then it's within the channel. Thinking of HIMS can do cash secure puts. You really like HIMS, Linus?
But him sits on the top of the channel. You need to
Yeah, I
wait for
know.
this to. I mean,
Yeah.
I would wait to that to get to the lower part of the channel. That's
Yes,
the beauty
exactly.
of the channels. Yeah, you know.
Exactly. Because if you were to take HIMS at the bottom here, which we went through the last couple of weeks, remember,
Yeah.
Linus? Every time it's at the bottom, that's the time that you can get cash secure puts below. Now it's at the top of the channel, so you don't get a cash secure puts up here. Yeah, you wait for the price, and it's at resistance area right now. So there is a chance that HIMS might reject and come towards the bottom of the channel. And if it comes towards the bottom of the channel, and it's on the way down, then it's okay to take a cash secure puts. Number one, you have a better price. Number two, you have better premiums as well, because price will then move on from up to down, which will give you a higher premium. All right. All right. Now I am going to see if there's any scalps that I can take for today. Okay, so the good thing is TSL is starting to push back. Okay, so as expected, it rejected here. It's going to come up again to this, and I'm expecting it to break, to go up. TSL to go to about 1550. I think that will be my expectation for now.
Nice.
Nothing on Oracle. I think I meant nothing on Open. Bitcoin, no. Ethereum, no. MU, it's pushing up. It's very expensive stock. Ondas is sideways. Nothing to have a look at. Palante, no, nothing sideways. IWM, okay, as mentioned, we actually hit exactly the 1618, about 298. So this is a very tough resistance to break for IWM, okay? Because I'll show you guys why. We have a trend line here, and also we have a trend line here. I mean, yeah, we're at top of the range, okay? So we have a resistance here, and then we have another resistance here. However, if it does break past that, we are expecting IWM to move very sharp towards the upside to 311. It's also a possibility. So depending on how it starts to move, we see if we can actually get any opportunities, but I don't see anything yet. So far it's pushing. I'm expecting the price to start heading up.
I mean,
I think just now
if Tesla
on
is
the
pushing,
other, let me try to
I
draw.
wonder the Tesla itself for what price it's. If Tesla is pushing, I wonder for what Tesla itself, what price it's expecting to get.
Okay, now check in a while. Okay.
Okay, no rush.
Yeah, so I'm looking for SoFi to start to push up to 18. Oh, it's too close. It's too close to resistance. I thought I can maybe get a scalp on this, but the move is too strong and it's too close. Yeah, Tesla. You said Tesla, right? Tesla would be if it breaks 412, we're expecting 435.
Nice, thank you.
If it breaks 417, sorry, 418. So this is what we're expecting.
No, it's already 410. Ah, you okay? Okay, I got you. Okay,
Yeah,
if it's break
it's pushing.
the trend line.
No, if it breaks this resistance
Okay.
plus the trend line, you see how it goes together?
Mm-hmm.
Because market cycle will always somehow find a way to be aligned. So it's aligning like right at the channel and right at this. So basically this is a strong resistance. That's why yesterday it bounced. And now it's coming up for a second retry. So if you are bullish on Tesla, we would hope that it will break. Because if it makes a double top, then it might start to drop down again. So this push up is an important push because this is the second try. It's the first try, it failed. Bulls are coming in for the second try right now. Okay, let's see. All this we're expecting to go up today, okay? Not today, but we're expecting it to go up. Okay, so Tesla, so far it's already high up, so I'm not going to touch. BMNR, we're expecting to go up, but it's at the bottom. NVIDIA, we're expecting to go up, but no. Meta. What's happening with Meta? Next time we're expecting to go up. Is there any opportunities within? Okay, I don't find any opportunities yet. Who was with us the whole time? Yeah, Linus, by the way, if you yesterday's trade we made about like 50% plus on the contract on the scalp. It's a slow climb, but it's a good trade. Yeah. Microsoft's up. You're expecting to go up. If it starts going down, then we have to reevaluate. It's all early in the move. Okay, we are expecting TQQQ to start to push up. Okay. Let me redraw this because I would like to change the colors. I would like to have one standardized color. Okay, so I'm going to remove this and 1, 2, 3 at this point here. Okay, so I'm expecting TQQQ to break past 87, 88 and start going up to 95. This is an important area, okay? So right now it's starting to push. If TQQQ starts pushing, I'll see if there's any opportunities today to get in. Okay. Tesla is still at the bottom part, but it's pushing, so we won't know yet. Amazon is trying to push. Google is sideways. TQQQ is nice. I'm going to bring it down. Let's check AMD. Okay, AMD is sideways. It's waiting to break past the resistance here. It already broke. Okay. It already broke yesterday. Yeah, so we're expecting the price to push up towards 590 on AMD. So if there's any opportunities to get in, we will try. But for now, I don't see anything yet, okay? For now, I don't see anything yet. iBit is at resistance right now. That's why iBit is struggling to break past this. So it might drop a bit before it starts going back up, okay? If he wants to go up to $40, it has to break past 38.50 at least. SPY is also at this area resistance as already mentioned. So if SPY can start pushing up, it's good news. If it starts pushing down, then I think we have to wait and reevaluate and see what happens. But ultimately, it's still on the way up. So literally today market is on its sideways, okay guys. So as much as I like to find some trades, even Hood went up, I think then price push down a bit. Expecting hood to go up to at least 110. Iran also rejected the market cycle one, okay? And it's making a second push. So I think many of those stocks are trying to make a second push. CIFR, okay, CIFR is strong. From here, we expected the price to go up. It did exactly what we expected. Let me remove this. Let me redo it. Yeah. So it's already at the 161, which is about 27 to 28. So if Cypher wants to go up and make, is this the, yeah, if Cypher wants to make all-time high, it has to break 28.30, 28.50, and then we expect price to go up to at least 31.50, 32. So Cypher looks like it's pushing. Okay, guys. So is there any chance that we can get a trade on this? Let me check. No, I actually like Cypher. Cypher looks good on the technical side of things. It's a very nice P wave here. It broke out of the P wave. We're expecting price to push. Okay, so Cypher will be on top of my list and see if we can find a trade on this. MSTR is we are expecting a move towards the upside. Okay. Now as well, we're expecting a push up. It hasn't come yet. RDW, surprisingly, the door was open. Price had the resistance here. It pushed down all the way and it's pushing back down. So I think RDW is trying to find a bottom again. The bottom should be closed. Okay, so this is no longer valid. And so let's wait for RDW. If there's a door open for it to push towards the upside, then we will try to get in. For now, it's making a very big channel on the way down. So, but opportunity will come for RDW. That's what we're expecting. Okay, so let me see besides CIFR and TQQQ, are there any good scalping opportunities today? HIMS is already at the top as expected. USAR is struggling to push up. Let me see on the bigger picture. Okay, USAR, the door is open towards the upside. Okay, so I'm expecting USAR to start to push towards the upside. Okay, at least between around $26. So it's still struggling to go up, but that's where we're expecting price to go. INFQ is pushing down. IONQ is pushing down. MP is pushing down. Sideways. APLD, yeah, we expected APLD to push up. Keel is like CIFR. Keel, I'll check Keel after this. So yeah, this is the expected price for APLD. Exactly where we expected it to go. Okay, it broke past 46 yesterday and now it's heading towards 50. Yeah. How come I missed this? Yeah, so let's see if APLD has got a chance for scalp. So we've got 3 stocks today, APLD, CIFR, and TQQQ for a chance to scalp using our trend following strategy. CR, yeah, even CR, core weave, is also what we expected. We expected price to go up, and now it's actually at 116, exactly where we expected it to go for the first market cycle. This would be a tough price for core weave to break, because you can see on the way down there's a channel. Okay, and then there's a market cycle 1. So we're gonna see what happens on core weave. I'll just put it up here a bit. Yeah, so our analysis has been spot on so far, guys. And all these are short-term moves, which currently now we've added into in the way we analyze charts. So to help you guys understand and short-term price movements, where the price might go to. Yeah, because normally before this, we were only looking for the visual strategy. So I don't really pay much attention to the short-term movements, but more towards identifying strong stocks, okay? Even Nebius, as expected, it broke past 255, and I mentioned this, and now it's heading up towards second market cycle. So this is important. Nebius, I will also mark this yellow and see if there's any scalping opportunities after this. SpaceX. Okay, so SpaceX, as mentioned just now in the other design chart, so this happened to be wave 4 then. So it's wave 1, wave 2, let me clean this up. Idan should be a very happy person right now. So wave 3, wave 4, and now it's going on for wave 5. All right, if wave 5 is longer than wave 3, boy, oh boy, SpaceX is gonna fly, like really fly. Okay, I won't tell you where it would get to. I'll show you guys later, but let's see what happens. If price starts to come back down, and then that means this is the completion of wave 1, then we expect a deeper correction of wave 2. But if this one takes off, SpaceX is going to worth a lot. And I think they just launched the options today. Let me have a look how much the options cost. Oh, the options are up. Okay, so we have 2 days options, 31 days. Oh, there's no open interest yet, because nobody is really buying them yet. But they're expensive though.
I mean, this
Yeah, SpaceX is very expensive on the options.
I mean, the stock is not cheap, right? So I mean, you cannot expect like options to be cheap.
Yeah. I mean, it's still okay lah. It's still within range.
I mean, it's like MU. MU also will be very expensive.
Yeah, MU is different. It's 1,000 plus. So yeah, we're expecting this to be wave 5. If it drops, it should drop, okay, from here. But if it pushes up, then I think those of you who has gotten in on SpaceX like Idan, I think you just continue holding the stock, man. This is something that I think you can hold for a long period of time.
Right.
Plus now SpaceX is really pushing together with Starlink on the UFC event I just watched. It's advertised all over the octagon. So Trump is good friends with Elon Musk and Dana White, and they're all working together. So I'm guessing this stock is going to start to push. Okay, come, let's go back. So NVDIS is on top here, APLD and Core Reef. Okay, let's see. SPY, no, not SPY. Okay, TQQQ, let's see if we can get any break towards the upside. Unfortunately, nothing yet. How is SPY? Is SPY pushing up yet? Not yet. We're expecting SPY to push up, okay? We're expecting SPY to push up. It's just a matter of time. TQQ as well. Cypher is pushing strong. It's already in that zone. Let's see if we can actually get a trade over here. I think it's going to be very difficult to get a trade today. Yeah, this is a bit risky. So Cypher, we can wait. We can wait for it to develop a bit more. It's very difficult to get in right now. NBIS, also parabolic move like that. Each time the price shoots up parabolically, it's a bit difficult to get in, okay guys? Because then the stop loss will be very big. And we want to take trades with a smaller stop loss. So Core Beef has also gone up to the point. Yeah, it's a bit difficult to get in. Basically, what I'm looking for is a P wave. As I mentioned this yesterday, we're looking for a P wave like this. So if market starts to make a triangle, then that's the time we'll try to get in. So we've got potential on Core Beef. Okay, so I'll put an alert here. Okay, so if Core Beefs go into a triangle, then it breaks up, that's when I'll get in. APLD, let me see. APLD is similar like NDIS. The stop loss is going to be very far away. No, yeah, NDIS. So NDIS and APLD, they move similar right now, so it's a bit difficult to get in. Cypher, we might have a chance. Okay, it's coming out of a triangle. It's breaking up. I'm expecting another triangle to be formed. So if there's another triangle that's going to be formed, and if it breaks up, then it's possible entry for us for a scalp. So now I'm looking for Core Reef and also CFR. TQQQ, nothing yet. Okay. Yeah, TQQ is a bit tough right now, because you can see this one pattern that I stay away from is called the expanding diagonal.
OSS.
Okay, it's literally the hardest pattern to trade because you can never predict where the price will actually go. So if you see a pattern like this, don't do anything. Don't take a trade. Just wait for the price to settle because this one can go any way. It can go up, fake, come back bottom, pretending like it's going to drop. Then it fakes bottom, it can go up again, and you can do it multiple times. We've seen it on SPY before. I've shown before you guys join us on Zoom. I've shown Avi on SPY and what it did. Yeah, so nobody could guess where SPY would go back then. Yeah, because this is a very tricky price movement. So the TQQQ, we are a bit more cautious. For SPY, I think it's okay. SPY, we got in here on the triangle. We made from here to here. We traded really well on SPY yesterday. We took the max profit. The max profit on the full move that we managed to capture yesterday with barely any drawdown. So I'm expecting a triangle like this. So if SPY breaks up, then it's a possible entry opportunity for us. So this is also what I am waiting for today. Okay, so basically we've got SPY, but SPY is on a bigger time frame. Okay, so for example, if it breaks up, then probably it's going to be like a $4, $5 stop loss. It's going to be slightly a bit bigger. CoreWeave is more of a day, 1 minute thing. The only caution is we are all at resistance, especially CoreWeave. Okay, we're at a major resistance right now. The channel, also we've got levels on the side, and also we've got market cycle 1. So I might not even want to take CoreWeave. Let me check CIFR. CIFR is better. It's a bit clearer to the upside. There's only one top. Okay, so I think CoreWeave, between these two, I'll sit out on CoreWeave. I'll look at CIFR right now. Okay, it's trying to break now. Let me double check and see if everything is confirmed, if I can actually take this trade. Yeah, okay, so Cypher looks good. Okay, so I'm going to be on standby on Cypher right now. It's a Cypher right now. I don't know yet, Linus. I will do it along the way, so I'll let you know. For now, you just gotta be a bit careful, okay? This was a nice trade here. You went up another triangle. So literally, it's going up in triangles, okay? You have another triangle here, which is the best pattern to trade, okay? One of the best patterns. As you would know, the two favorite patterns is the P wave, which is this, which is basically a triangle or a flag. Then the other one would be the cup and handle. So literally, we've got a P wave, you enter over here, another P wave, you enter over here, and then we have a minor one here, which is the one that we're trying to get into. So far it looks good, you know. And also, if we get in our stop loss, let me see how big our stop loss is. If you get in over here, our stop loss is like 50 cents, less than $1. So even if the market were to reverse, we wouldn't lose too much on our contract. No, we would actually. I think about 50% of your contract you'll lose about 50% of its value. Yeah. So we shall see. SPY is not yet. So I'm expecting a break here. Expecting a break up here and a close. So we're probably going to enter on the 1 minute chart or a 2 minute chart. If price goes below this point, I won't take this trade, okay guys, because I want a P wave. If it's like this, if the price comes low, like a small little bearish channel, I'm not getting in, because then my chances will be less. And what I'm sharing with you here on the entries, the technical is gold, okay guys, because nobody will teach you stuff like this. This comes from like 20 years experience of losing money. Okay, yeah. So if it's like almost at the same price like this is called like a flag pattern, then it's fine. But best if it's a triangle, okay, or even like a wedge. As long as price is making higher lows, it shows that the momentum is coming. Okay, so the minute the price trades below this, I'm cautious. And then I have to be very careful. Okay, but so far so good. So far so good. As long as it doesn't trade below this. So we're expecting the price to go like this, and then to break out, come back, and just boom. Okay. How steep the P shape need to form? Doesn't need to be steep. As long as it makes higher lows or equal lows will be fine. As long as it doesn't make a lower low to the next low. If like example, if the price is like this, and it comes like this below this, I won't take the trade. Okay, I won't take the trade, because I notice every time when that happens, price breaks out and you just come back down. It always happens. So as I mentioned, this one comes with experience, because I've been trading for over 20 years. And every time you want to scalp using patterns, this is the tricky part. Okay, so you can select whatever options you want according to your risk appetite. I'm just taking the 2-day option. 10 days, it's also possible. Let's see if there's any good options. If I go for the 16 days, it's also okay. 24 days. Yeah, I'll just go with the 2 days option, because I just plan to scalp and get in and get out. Okay, that's my plan. Get in and get out fast. Okay, so we've got it's coming. For us, it's coming. Okay, so I want to know if this is going to be a real breakout and close, or is this going to be a fake out? If this is going to be a fake out, then you're not going to get in. So I'm going to let price shoot up a tad more, just a bit more, just to make sure that this is actually a real breakout. Okay, guys. But once I'm confirmed on this, then I'll probably take the trade. So, but we'll see. We'll see in all. Again, we are on resistance, so be careful. Be careful. At your own risk, okay, guys. At your own risk. Okay, I'm gonna move this down a bit. Let's see if it pushes up. We've got a very nice P wave. Okay, very nice P wave. Okay, let's see if the momentum can follow. So we've got, and also how do I look if momentum will follow is, I'll look at the candles, okay? So if it closes outside of the Bollinger Band, that means momentum, there's a good chance that momentum is following through. So, but it needs to see if it's a actual breakout or it's a pullback. So if it's a fake out and coming back, then you gotta be careful. Okay, guys, so now I'm still waiting. So we're waiting for a push right now, okay, a strong push. If the push doesn't come, no trade for us. Okay, core weave, no triangle. Okay, no triangle. So let's see if it's coming down a bit. Yeah. NBIS, nope, it's falling down. Apply digital, nope, it's losing steam. Hood is losing steam. What is this? SPY, it's maintaining its triangle. We're waiting for SPY to break towards the top side. Cypher, let's see if Cypher can follow through. So for me, the stop loss would be here. Okay, this is my stop loss. But I'm a bit conservative, okay, because if the momentum doesn't come after the big push and it trades inside past the middle of the triangle, then even then I'll cut off the trade already. Okay, because I'm expecting if it's a breakout, it will just push, push, and push. If it retraces too deep, then it's not good. Okay, we shall see. So far, not looking great for Cypher. There's no momentum that follows through. Okay. So now it's retracing a bit deep. So we shall see. We shall see. Okay, since nothing's happening, come, let's have a look at what you mentioned, Keel. Keel infrastructure. Okay, Keel infrastructure is, there's no indication that this is the bullish stock, okay? The way it goes up and goes down is like somebody's heartbeat. Yeah, boop, 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 boop. So if you see a stock like this, then you know it's not, the fundamentals behind the stock is not strong, okay? Like unlike Cypher, this is a bit better because you have wave 1, wave 2, then you have wave 3, wave 4, and I'm expecting Cypher to make a big push up in the future, all right? Okay, so Cypher broke down, indicating that there is no trade this time around. Okay, so we lost a bit of momentum over there. Let's see if it trades below this. If it doesn't trade below this, then we might have a chance. So we'll just wait for a while. So I'll put an alert down here as well. I'll put an alert up here as well. Okay, in the meantime, let's see if we can have any other opportunities. Okay, so far it's pushing back down again. Okay, BMNR pushing down. Nvidia pushing down. Meta struggling to go up. Apple sideways. Microsoft is pushing down again. Okay, so now Tesla is trying to break this resistance, is pushing back down again. Okay, so look like it's going to take some time for the market to move towards the upside. Google, now it's trying to push up again. Let's see if we can actually get something on Google. Okay, Google is going to take some time, okay, guys. Google's expected move, if it starts moving towards the upside, is towards 382, 385, okay? This we are expecting the price to move up here. CFR is crossing. Let me just look at what happened. Okay, so when this happens, there's no trade for us, okay, guys? Unless do not be surprised, because this might happen. Unless if this is the top, this is the bottom, and then price comes like this, and it makes another triangle like this, okay? So basically this is a triangle, and if price breaks out towards the upside, this is when we can get in, okay? But now, nope, we don't have it now. AMD is pushing down. So I think market is starting to push down a bit right now. Okay, even like see now TQQQ, nope, we're not gonna go for that. SPY is still holding, okay, guys. SPY is still holding below this. So if SPY breaks below this, then I am not looking forward for SPY to break up above. So Cypher is not. So it's rejecting the market cycle 1, rejecting market cycle 1, rejecting the market cycle 2. APLD is almost there. Hood is pushing down at the 100 mark. Okay, it's triple top. 1, 2, 3. So it's pushing back again. So the bulls have given up for a while. So we're expecting Hood to maybe drop a bit, come back to this area, which is about 93, about 90 to 95 before making a move back up. So Hood, we gotta wait for a while. How's iron? Iron also is rejecting. So most of the stocks are actually rejecting the zone. Master strategy, we're still expecting a upward movement. Yeah, RGW is continuing going down. UU is fine. HIMS is rejecting now, is already reached market cycle 2, massive resistance on HIMS here, okay? So we're expecting the price to come back down. If it were to break up, then HIMS might just start moving very quickly. Is there any news out there that's happening now, Avi? Because everything seems to be dropping.
No, I think it's just like they have a limit how much
Nothing.
it can go up without any news. So whenever the market cannot continue going up, so usually it's people start taking the profit. No, not any news.
Okay. Okay, so I expected this move, as I mentioned just now. 5 would normally just aim here because it's very unlikely that it will just, on the starting of a stock, that wave 5 becomes longer than wave 3. So this is a typical 5-wave pattern, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you guys want to know where the price is going to stop at? I can tell you almost exactly where price will come down to, and you can find a very good entry on SpaceX. Okay, guys? It's over here. As I mentioned, price shall not trade below this price, okay, which is 181530, exactly on that. So I'm expecting price right now, if this is wave 5, okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this is a completion of wave 1. I would expect a price to come like this. Let me, sorry. I would expect an ABC correction like this, 1, 2, and 3, or something like that, okay? And then when it comes here, this will be wave 2, okay? And then I'm going to expect SpaceX to start flying out from here, okay? So we shall see. We shall see. I'm calling this, okay, guys? But we shall see. I'll put it blue on this. Okay, so even SPY, is it trading below? Okay, no, it's not trading below. I was just looking forward to getting some trades today. Unfortunately, no luck yet. By the way, when we scalp, my strategy is that we take these trades with the trend. Okay, we don't go against the trend. Yeah, there's a reason why we do it. We go with the trend. So when the trade goes in our favor, we let the profits run, like what we did yesterday. Okay, so this is not something that we'll take. I will remove this. Core beef is out. NBI is also rejecting. Okay, let's see if I can get something on master strategy. Okay, master strategy, I'm expecting price to come down here. Okay, to 124. Let me see on the smaller time frame if we have something going on. Okay, I expect price to go down for master strategy for now. at least until 125. Let's see if I can catch the setup on the way down.
Yes.
Hey. Hold on 1 second. 1 second.
Oh.
What you doing?
Take medicine.